Hi, I'm Terry Painter. I'm the author of this book, The Encyclopedia of Commercial Real Estate Advice, published by Wiley. Uh, anyway, Joy Singe of AMZ Publishing Academy contacted me in very early May of 2022 this year and told me that he could really help me boost my sales on Amazon, which is where I sell most of my books. Uh, and I thought, well, why not give it a try? This would be through uh, Amazon at marketing, and that's what he specializes in. And I didn't really have, a whole lot of faith that it would, but my sales went flat. Where at one time I was selling 30 to 40 books a week, they had gone down at that time to about 20. In fact, during the week of May 7th, or 22nd, right, roughly, uh, I'm sorry, yeah, I only sold 22 books. So anyway, so I thought I'm just going to try this guy for 1 month, and I'm going to tell you that uh, Joy is an amazing guy. He not only delivered what he said he was going to do, but he kept it within my budget, which was $700 a month. That might sound like a lot, but my book sells for on Amazon for $30. So anyway, but it's really blowing me away because immediately my book started selling more. And not only just the advertised books that are sponsored that you pay per click, but also my books were selling just organically, just at a much more rapid pace. And so pretty soon I was going to 30 books a week, and then eventually up to 40 books a week. And I'm going to actually see if I could turn my webcam around and show you this. It's pretty amazing. Um, let's see. So we get this queued up here. Okay, and I'm going to go to my Amazon Central page for authors. And okay, so this is my page. And if you could see, my it's showing that that my book sales actually for the period of July 9th through July 15th that week shot up by 83 copies to 129 copies in one week. Well, that's like way beyond anything I've ever done, with the exception of when I sold about 100 copies when my book was launched about a year and a half ago. So what can I say? Let me put this back up here, my webcam. Um, Sorry about this. I'm an older guy. I don't really have use computers all that as well as I should. Let me get back onto, but anyway, as I mentioned, Joy certainly underpromised and over-delivered on this one, and I am thrilled. I mean, I can't wait to get my royalty checks on this book, and I'm going to stick with Joy from now on because he really knows what he's doing. He knows how to find the right keywords for your book and actually which keywords to advertise on. He knows how to bid so he can keep within your budget. He's just really a master at Amazon marketing, and I highly recommend him. Thanks.